Send it to Rusty. He'll tell you.
Yeah.
Oh, look, we're the only ones here.
Hallelujah.
Oh, how good.
Mom just wants a drink.
Okay. What kind?
She said surprise her, so.
Oh, you pick it up.
I'm like,
Hello, Ernie. It's so good to see you. You want to be on cam? Can I take a picture? Usually
You've been doing some work on your truck, bro.
a little bit, a little at a time. I just I put a glass pack in it, and I put what else? I did some engine work, getting ready to paint it. I took those things, the step bumper. What do you call those dang things? I always forget.
Step side or whatever.
Yeah, and took those off. They look stupid.
It's looking good.
Thanks, brother. Store's looking good. Hey, Cindy, how you doing? What's happening? Be careful with that. Don't hurt yourself. Yeah.
you think she wants just soda or alcohol?
She said surprise her. Get a beer.
I don't want to drink.
Oh, get Mom a beer. Nice beer selection.
Like,
Get her.
not ice?
She likes. I don't know.
Like one of these?
She likes
Oh, one of
the
these.
Bud Lime.
Lime?
Right here.
No, she doesn't like that. I'm thinking a lime marita.
Get her one of them.
So I should not get her.